Alright guys, what's up? It's Friday, it's my birthday, and I've been trying to decide where I'm going to ride at all week. There was open practice at Muddy Creek today and at Chillitown. Muddy Creek was a little further, but I love it. Never rode at Chillitown before, so I heard mixed reviews on it, but turns out 50% chance of rain at Muddy Creek and only 10 at Chillitown. So we're headed up there. Yeah. Pumped to ride on some real dirt for once and not sand, and got some new goggles I'm gonna try out, and yeah, should be a good day. Let's go hit it. Alright guys, you know I've been on the hunt for a goggle partnership, but picked up these as a birthday gift, and I don't know, I'm not big on going super mainstream, but we're going to give these a try today and just see what we think of them. These are the Fox Air Spaces. Got the tear off to go with them, so I don't know, they were a gift. We'll try them out, see how they feel, and I'll give you the 411 on it. Alright guys, Custom Power Sports here, and they're demoing Groms or Z125s or something with dirt tires on it. You have to have a motorcycle endorsement. Just so happens that I have one just from a couple weeks ago, so we're going to go try out one of these Z125s that I've been seeing are taking over.